assemble this tube roller from Swagoffroad. Alright, this thing really is a pretty simple machine. Not a whole lot to it. So this is our project. It's an arch that's going in a local dog park, and we're trying to put two arched tubes right here, one on the bottom and one across the top right here. So we need to match this radius on this bend. So we've got our 2x2 square tube loaded up here in our die. I've never done this before, so I'm just going to try and go maybe 1/8 of an inch. There we go, there's 120. Let's see how this fits. Alright guys, so that's it. The Hulk tube roller by Swag works pretty good here. Got my 2 radius bends done. That's exactly what I needed it to do.